So we finished the places for the moment. That's a great first step, but there is more to come. Because in addition to places, we also want to add users to our app. Users means that we want to be able to sign up, so to create a new user account. We also want to be able to log in, so to log into this account. And then we want to be able to create a new place for this specific user. And this actually shows the two things that are missing. The first thing is the implementation of this user sign up and login logic. And the second thing is the relation between the users and the places. Because if you think about our application data, then we have these users and these places, and each user has different properties, for example, the name, the email, the password, and the user image. And we have the places with the title, description, the address, the location, and the image. This is what we built already. Once we build the users then, which will be the next step, then we also have to make sure to create a relation between these two entities, you could say. Because in the end, we want to make sure that one user can create multiple places and that one place can only belong to exactly one user. So that's the second important step in the rest of this module, to establish the connection between the users and the places. Therefore, let's now continue with step 1, creating our users logic.